कोई थक गया 30 मिनट भाग के थक गया तो उसको निकाल दे फुटबॉल में.
Till the cricketing guys will be making footballing decisions, this country will not excel in football.
फुटबॉल हम ऐसा वार्म अप करते हैं बिफोर एवरी मैच.
Footballers are more fit than cricketers.
अंकल लोग भी क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं.
5-5 दिन खड़े रह के आराम से खेल सकते
खेल सकते.
Are we on the same page कि इस एपिसोड में आएंगे क्रिकेट फैंस और फुटबॉल फैंस आमने सामने.
Hi, my name is Kevin Printer.
I'm Neeraj Warrior.
My name is Ryland Rodrigues.
My name is Raj Oza.
My name is Utkarsh.
आई एम दीपक.
क्या वो किसी भी बात पे सहमत हो पाएंगे?
फिटनेस इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मैं भागा यार 90 मिनट्स.
Because running 90 minutes is difficult than playing 5 days.
क्या फुटबॉलर्स क्रिकेटर्स से ज्यादा फिट होते हैं?
Football, you have to be fit. Any position you play, if you're not fit, you can get caught out. But in cricket, you can come. I think you see Rohit Sharma playing. I can never see a person like Rohit Sharma being in the football team. He's not.
Not fit.
He's not fit.
So how are you able to say that an unfit person is able to hit over 110 meters? He is able to captain captain the entire team for 5 days.
He's not on his feet for all 5 days. When India is batting, he is on his feet.
Okay, he is on his feet for more than 90 minutes. That's for sure.
I don't think Rohit Sharma runs 12 kilometers in a 90
Isn't
minutes.
it about being effective in that sport that you're playing? If he is effective, he is fit. And he is effective because he is fit.
Footballers are more fit than cricketers.
You can put a footballer in a cricket field and make it do the exact same thing what the cricketers are doing for 5 days. It will not be the same thing when you reverse the roles.
बहुत सिंपल बात है. तुम्हारा जो पूरा स्पोर्ट है हमारा ही वार्म अप है. हम है ना वार्म अप करके खेलते हैं क्रिकेट.
I don't.
Yes, फुटबॉल हम ऐसा वार्म अप करते हैं बिफोर एवरी मैच.
But at the same intensity as a
Now
football
let's
game.
come to the intensity, my friend.
You run 12 kilometers.
सुबह 9 से शाम के 5 तक फुल 40 डिग्रीज की गर्मी में 5 दिन कंटिन्यूस खड़े रहना है. 90 मिनट्स का गेम हफ्ते में एक दिन खेलते हो. 90 मिनट्स का हफ्ते में एक दिन खेलते हो और ये लोग 5 दिन कंटिन्यूस. और गलती से भी कोई बैक टू बैक फिक्सचर आ जाए एक हफ्ते में फुटबॉल, ओ शिट 2 मैच खेलना पड़ेगा. हम तो
That's the whole point, because running 90 minutes is difficult than playing 5 days.
आप 9 to 5 खड़े तो होके दिखाइए. आपको लगता है ना इतना इजी है खड़े होना?
It's also about endurance. Fitness is not just about मैं भागा यार 90 minutes. What about Neymar यार? Like the number of times he has got injured.
First of all, football is a contact sport. You're bound to get more injuries in football than cricket. Cricket, you don't have any contact. You're not pushing the bowler. One day someone pushes the batsman or bowler, it's a media this. But in football, that's every day. So you're bound to get more injuries.
Exactly वही बोल रहा हूँ. Since cricket is not a contact sport, the body shaming or I don't want to suggest that you did, but मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि everyone's body figure change हो सकता है.
If you ask me कि आजम खान फिट है, शायद मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है वो फिट नहीं है.
Most of
Yes, I agree.
yeah.
फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं. वर्ल्ड कप कौन जीतता है? जीता कौन लीटेस्ट? There's a reason why they have consistently won, because they have been following the whole fitness aura culture जो भी है, क्योंकि उन लोग पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. नॉट एवरी कंट्री और एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज बीन एबल टू फॉलो इट. कोई भी खेल सकता है. नाउ मैं वो बोलूंगा, अंकल लोग भी क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं.
5-5 दिन खड़े रह के आराम से खेल सकते
खेल सकते हैं.
5 दिन नहीं खेल सकता.
सोसाइटी में खेल सकते हैं वो लोग.
टूर्नामेंट करवा दो लोग आ जाएंगे.
सोसाइटी में अलग फिटनेस चाहिए ना.
खड़े रहेंगे ब्रो, ऐसा खड़े रहेंगे.
क्या फुटबॉल फैंस wannabe यूरोपियंस है?
यार मुझे तो लगता है जिसको बचपन में क्रिकेट समझ नहीं आई ना इंडिया में, तो उसने बोला फुटबॉल ही देख ले तो बड़ा कूल लगेगा. बट उस टाइम पे किसी को मैड्रिड पता ही नहीं था, किसी को बारसा पता ही नहीं था, तो फॉलो ही यूनाइटेड या वो 2-4 क्लब हो रहे थे. तुम लोग रियल फॉलोअर हो गए. बट इंडिया में उस टाइम पे जब मैं छोटा था, अरे तू फुटबॉल देखा क्या? मैं मैन यूनाइटेड का मैच देखा.
Initially, when we started watching, there were only 2 channels, ESPN, Star Sports. And in India, we had only football rights for Premier League. So we used to watch those games, started following those teams. We are not become fans of an individual. We have become fans of a team. Today, if you tell me to watch a game at 2 o'clock at night, I'll still remain awake and watch.
Only one simple point. We are wearing Indian jerseys. They could have chosen to wear Mumbai City jerseys, but no, they're wearing Manchester United, Arsenal.
Yeah, because
It is what it is.
the first team I watched was Arsenal. Okay, I watched Arsenal, I watched United. Okay, I fell in love with Arsenal. So I'm wearing the team that I started supporting first. Is today I'm wearing that jersey. Probably the first team that you watched the Indian cricket team.
Correct.
So you are wearing the Indian cricket team jersey.
In football, Indian matches used to not even be shown. At the point, we didn't even know who the Indian captain was. ऐसा नहीं था कि we had phone accessibility और हम लोग Google कर ले कि अभी है ना.
And name 11 players
Yeah, definitely. I'll name you 23.
No, since he was the one speaking.
I'll
about,
name
like,
you 23.
but 11 Man United player पता रहेगा आपको.
नहीं, but
11 India player.
okay, you tell
that
me.
will probably settle the debate.
You tell me on which channels is Indian football team match still shown? It's shown on fan code. It's
But you
not
just
shown.
said that it is available.
मेरे को
So you are probably countering your own point, right?
No,
here.
it's still not available is what
नहीं
I'm
और-
saying.
भाई
It's
आपको
like-
देखना होगा, आप कैसे भी देख.
मेरे को बचपन में मोहन बागान
Fan code, but we paid the money, we watched this.
Most of the football fans over here are EPL fans, Messi, Ronaldo fans,
But that
Spanish
make
league
you
fans.
wannabe fans. We are not wannabe fans. We are
But that's-
fans who will even watch a normal game at 2
We're talking about an
like
average
yesterday
United
Netherlands
fan.
fans. We would still. It's not like our country was playing or something, but we would still stay up till 12:30 to watch.
did you watch
For a
the
T20 World Cup?
game?
You cannot tell me there's a big game over T20 World Cup at 2 and 3 in the night, and Indian fans are actually sitting and watching.
They are.
भाई टेस्ट
They
मैच
are.
देखते थे जो सुबह 5-6 बजे चालू हो जाते थे.
But India is playing in that, right?
यूनाइटेड का मैच सेल आउट है, करेक्ट? यू ओनली मेंशन.
Yeah.
आईएसएल का मैच सेल आउट नहीं होता है. अगर हमारे नहीं होते हैं, स्टेडियम्स खाली होते हैं.
Okay.
पूरा अगर आप जाते
One
थे
second,
stadium
one
थोड़ी
second.
भर-
ISL is a 2-month tournament, okay? You had all stadiums full, the first 3 seasons, okay? But they wanted to change it because football cannot be run in 2 months. It has to be a long game. That's similar, you have to compare to Ranji Trophy. How many Ranji Trophy matches are full? 0. How many ISL matches are full in that year-long period? You'll have an average attendance of 20,000 per stadium.
No, you have to compare it with Syed Mustad Ali and those trophies which are a one-day game.
The Ranji Trophy is not a one-day game.
Yeah.
You cannot discredit us for the passion that we have for
No,
the clubs that we
absolutely,
support.
absolutely.
And for for the games that we stay up watching and show up to work the next day.
Unfortunately, the scenario right now अभी भी ऐसा ही है कि हम यूरोपियन फुटबॉल को ही primarily follow कर रहे हैं. One of the primary reasons could be the timing because this
Other thing is the
EPL European is somewhere 8:30 to 2 probably. This is something that we can agree
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
and that is where the whole wannabe European aspect can come.
Exactly, we got you're coming from a proper point because we were accessible to that and we are watching that. So what we watch when we are young, we'll go to follow that only. Like you Indian team,
Correct.
you're continuously supporting the Indian team.
तो मेरे को देखना था मोहन बागान को, पर टीवी पे कोई देखा नहीं रहा.
क्या आईपीएल क्रिकेट के स्पोर्ट को खराब कर रहा है?
Simple answer is no. IPL has become a platform. Money is the byproduct of it. इस प्लेटफॉर्म ने इतने प्लेयर्स इंडिया को दिए हैं और बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स को अपना कमबैक दिया है.
IPL save cricket. Okay. Today, if you see, many players don't play for the nation but come for IPL. Okay. And perform. They are happy with that money, but they don't play for the nation. There's a conflict of interest. I feel you're depriving your country of your services, but coming and playing IPL.
My point is simple. As long as IPL is a 2-month tournament
Correct.
and not an all-year tournament, it won't be something that will spoil the cricket.
See, IPL is tamasha. You have Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma coming out and talking that what is that player substitution? Impact player. They are all against it.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just for the tamasha of the sport, don't change the sport.
I think वो लोग experiment कर रहे हैं. If it doesn't sail through, it will not go up on the international stage. For example, it started with DRS as well. DRS पहले India was resistant about using it, but now it is a global rule.
IPL खेलने का एक दूसरा रीजन है, आपके इंटरनेशनल स्टार्स आते हैं. आपको सिर्फ 4 फॉरेन प्लेयर्स अलाउड है. दैट मीन्स यू विल चूज द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स इन द वर्ल्ड हु विल प्ले दैट. और जब आप उस एक्सपोजर के सामने खेलते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू आर रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट लेवल. तो जब भी आप इंटरनेशनल साइड में जाते हो खेलने के लिए, तो आप बहुत रेडी होते हो क्योंकि आपको ऐसे लगता है मैं अचानक से इधर आ रहा हूँ.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक रिंकू सिंह नाम का जो प्लेयर है, पहले अगर वो इंडियन टीम में आता था, वो जब तक ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं आता था उसको पता ही नहीं था पैट कमिंस को कैसे खेलना है. अब वो आईपीएल में पैट कमिंस को खेल रहा है. When he's going and representing India now, after playing IPL, he knows how to play Pat Cummins. He's already faced Pat Cummins. So in the World Cup, if Rinku Singh is selected based on his performance in IPL, I don't think वो एक problem है. In fact, it
For
is
T20 World.
for T20 World Cup, 100% for T20 World Cup, not your 5
I was coming to that. Not the 50 over.
Correct. Not your 50 overs. Correct.
क्या क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल को एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं?
The captain of Indian cricket team on record has come out and appreciated the captain of Indian football team and has asked fans to,
Come and watch.
come and watch that. So there are efforts being made. It's not that, cricket is by far the leader,
Yeah.
but it's not that it wants to be the leader. It is trying to accommodate.
जैसा इफ यू लुक एट फ्रॉम लास्ट 5-10 years, प्रो कबड्डी, मुझे शायद 10 साल पहले पता ही नहीं था कबड्डी खेलते कैसे और कबड्डी है क्या. कबड्डी इज नाउ अ फेमस गेम.
It is the second only after IPL.
After IPL, yeah.
ISL होने लग गया, रिलायंस ने ही वो लीग की, जबकि मुंबई इंडियंस के भी वो प्राइम स्पॉन्सर है. They are also coming
invested
in FC Goa.
FC Goa.
I think Dada is also involved with Atletico de Kolkata in some form. तो दूसरे हर स्पोर्ट्स को अब वो प्लेटफॉर्म मिलने लग गया.
The Indian football manager who got sacked recently, he is saying that till the cricketing guys will be making footballing decisions, this country will not excel in football. Why are we having cricketing guys making footballing decisions?
Even cricket did not have right facilities or anything when we won the 83 World Cup.
Correct.
Unfortunately, we haven't had such a big thing with football.
And I think it's a matter of time. एक दो heroes निकलेंगे Indian football से. We will have a crazy startup.
This was my point. Like, without any infrastructure or investment being put, Sunil Chhetri is in the top 5 top scorers ever for countries. Okay, without any backing.
I think
Now
there is
imagine
some magic in the name of Sunil because Sunil Gavaskar did exactly the same.
No, but
I'm honest.
But I'm saying
exactly.
But I'm saying imagine.
had no means. He
Imagine
had no
if there is
means.
investment put. I'm not even saying on the cricketing level, but I'm saying even if a half decent amount and the footballing guys are made to run the footballing association as it's supposed to be run, there will be so many more, as you said, 2-3 star or niklenge.
Correct.
Just in recent history, I think we were almost in the top 100 nations in the football ranking. We came that close, right? If we even qualify for the World Cup, those 22 players will become heroes for us there itself. वो एक जनगण मन फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप में बजेगा ना, सब रोएंगे. That becomes a stepping stone. Once that happens with the right resources and all, then the point about aspiration of becoming a footballer will come into a place, because kids will see what heroes those 22 players have become. Cricket is too huge to fall right now, but with everything put into place, we can definitely match up because the passion is there.
यार बात है ना, क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल को एक दूसरे को सरपास करने की नहीं है. It is about both the games coexisting, whether it's in India or whether it's global, right?
Yeah.
शायद इंडिया में हम बहुत आगे हैं क्रिकेट में, फुटबॉल भी एक टाइम पे आगे आएगा.
इंडिया इज अ स्लीपिंग जायंट, जैसे सब लोग बोलते रहते हैं. एंड इवेंचुअली यू नो वी विल गेट टू अ पॉइंट वेयर दिस स्लीपिंग जायंट विल वेक अप एंड लाइक अरे भाई अभी जीतने का टाइम हो गया है, यू नो, एंड ऑल दैट. सो वी आर होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट.
We also hope that cricket also grows to a 48 team tournament in the near future and
But जीतेगी
enjoy
India.
both the sports.
और हम इंडिया को हर जगह सपोर्ट करें. क्रिकेट
Let's go.
फुटबॉल को
Let's
हॉकी
go.
हर स्पोर्ट में हम जीते और हर स्पोर्ट
India जीते यार, बस India.
Lead blue wherever. Yeah, agree with you.
Blue for yeah.
Hope you enjoyed our conversation.
If you liked it,
कमेंट्स में बताओ.
Like and share it with your friends.
And subscribe to Pocket Change.